loves, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be making abobi stew or Bobitadi on the stove top. Abobi is also known as anchovies. I will wash these before using it in the recipe. In my pan, I will be adding some coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will allow it to melt and I will add my washed anchovies or abobi for frying. I will be frying this on shallow and I will allow it to be fully cooked and semi-dry. Frying it, I'm just going to be stirring and stir and stir until they are fully cooked. If you are new here, I'm so delighted to have you here, and don't forget to like this video if you find it useful, and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes in the future. And thank you. My abobi is now fully cooked and semi-dry, so I'm going to transfer it onto a plate, and to the pan I'll be adding 1 large chopped onions. I'm just going to cook them until they are softened, and I'll add my blended tomatoes. This recipe is just straightforward. It's just like making a tomato sauce or any other sauce. To that, I will be adding my blended ginger, onion, and aniseed to this recipe. I just want to keep it simple and easy. So in that, I'm going to be raising my tomato bowl and add it to the stew, cover it and let it simmer, after which I will give it a stir and check on it and add my other ingredients. Our stew is coming together nicely. It has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir and I'll add my total seasoning and also add my curry powder. And I will also be adding some red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. You can adjust the amount of pepper you add to the recipe. It's all depends on how hot or how cool you want this recipe to be. So at this point, I'm going to be adding the fried abobi or anchovies to the sauce, and I will give everything a good stir, after which I will cover the pot and let it simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. I will also throw in 1 habanero pepper. Our stew is looking so good. It smells so good in here, like my grandma's kitchen. Anchovies or abobi are such a good fish. They are nutritious and healthy, and I love them. And now for our finished touch, I'm going to be adding some chopped onions and some bell peppers. I love onions so much, and bell peppers are just sisters to my onions. So I'm just adding them to make my sisters happy and make me happy. Please take them out if you don't like them, and do try them. I know you will love it. It's so good. And this stew is ready. Our abobi stew is ready. You can serve this with yam, some rice, some plantain. I love mine with some rice, and it's so good. And I will see you in the next video.